everyone, my name is Minnie Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about Foreign Trade Policy 2023 for UGC NET in Commerce. Currently in India, Foreign Trade Policy 2023 is applicable. This policy was announced on 31st March 2023 by Minister of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Piyush Goyal, and came into force on 1st April 2023. First of all, we will see four main pillars of this policy: incentive to remission, export promotion through collaboration, ease of doing business, and emerging areas. One by one, we discuss about each pillar. First pillar is incentive to remission. As we know, export play very important role in our economic growth. That's why in order to increase export under incentive to remission, government provide so many incentives and financial benefit to exporter. Under this scheme, government provide tax rebates on exported goods. And main focus of this scheme providing tax refund to exporters rather than offering any direct cash incentives. Scheme for remission of duties on taxes on exported product, or we can say the road tap, is example of incentive to remission. Main goal of this scheme: refund taxes duties which are incurred during production of exported goods. Next pillar is export promotion through collaboration. This is strategy in which exporters, state government, district authorities, and Indian Mission Board will work together in order to boost export of countries. For example, exporter will identify export products, state government will provide incentives and infrastructure support, district authority will conduct market research at district level in order to identify high potential export product. An Indian Mission Board will provide information about latest international trade trends. So, this is strategy in which exporter, state government, district authorities and Indian Mission Board will work together in order to boost export of country. Next pillar is ease of doing a business. That means in order to make a business of exporter simple and easy, this policy provide digitalization, reducing paperwork and automatic approval for exporter. Next pillar is emerging area. That means this policy identify new and rapidly growing sectors in international trade. Under emerging area, this policy develop a district export hub. That means identify and develop a specific district as a export hub. But how? Analyzing their current export profile, their potential for future growth, also identify their product with high export potential within a district and provide them necessary infrastructure and support in order to boost their export. Now we will see important points and schemes under Foreign Trade Policy 2023. Main goal of this policy is significantly increase in export of India, aiming to reach USD 2 trillion by 2030. This policy talks about town of export excellence. That means identify towns with high export potential, and these towns will provide priority to export promotion fund, and these towns are Faridabad, Muradabad, Mirzapur and Varanasi. Faridabad recognized for apparel, Muradabad for handicraft, Mirzapur for handmade carpet and dari, Varanasi for handloom and handicraft. Foreign Trade Policy 2023 provide status holder certification program to exporter. That means provide status to exporter based on their performance, like 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, etc. High star rating means exporter with greater performance, and high star exporter will receive additional benefit in order to boost their export. Foreign Trade Policy 2023 talks about SCOMET. SCOMET stands for Special Chemical, Organism, Material, Equipments and Technology. This policy regulates export of SCOMET items and made simple licensing process for exporting SCOMET items. Foreign Trade Policy 2023 talks about export promotion capital goods. That means EPCG scheme. As we know, capital goods like machine, tools, equipments we use for production. And whenever we do import of capital goods, government impose some custom duty. But this scheme allow import of capital goods at zero custom duty in order to increase production of goods for the purpose of export. As we know, advance authorization and export promotion capital goods both are export promotion schemes in India. And foreign trade policy 2023 simplify both schemes by introducing automated process, reducing user fee, and provide easier access to exporter benefit through digital platform. So this is about foreign trade policy 2023. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.